So we're gonna add now the rest of the seasoning. Yeah, my people, you country life. Woo! Yeah. Hey, my people. Yeah, welcome back. Now today it's gonna be good. We will be cooking, yes, some turnip fish, people. Yeah, those of you know about turnip fish, yes, along with some dasheen and green banana. People, today it's gonna be good. Yeah, so you don't want to miss out on that, so stay tuned, stay connected. Yes. Just before we go any further, just some benefits from eating turnips. Now, turnips are very high in fiber, yes, high in vitamins and minerals. Now, high in vitamin B1, B3, B2, B5. Yes, people, high in magnesium, calcium, iron, yes, manganese, and potassium. And just to add that turnips are very good for your bones, people. Yes, so if you have brittle bones, if you're suffering from bone loss, a very good food to include in your diet is turnips. All right, people, so get yourself some turnips. Yes, and along with that, it boosts the immune system, yes, body immunity, and it also helps to fight cancer. Yes, people, it does fight cancer cells, and it is good for your eyes. Yes, it is also high in fiber, and it is very good for digestion. It is also good for your heart healthy food. Yes, my people, so get yourself some turnips however you'd like it. If you'd like it roasted, boiled, or broiled, or just as is in a salad or anything you want it, yeah, just make yourself some good turnip salad or any way you want it. But today we will be cooking, yes, some green bananas along with dasheen, my people, yeah, and some turnip fish. So you don't want to miss out on that. It's gonna be good, so stay tuned, stay connected. And now for the fun. Yes, people, as you can see, go mash, yeah. So today we'll be boiling tea. Yeah. So right here we have the turnips, yeah. So this is, some real Jamaican turnip. Here we have the dasheen, yes, the dasheen, and here we have the green bananas, my people. Yeah, so we're gonna be cooking, yes, and here we have the purple cabbage, yes, people. So we're gonna put it all together, yeah, all together. So you're gonna see, you're all excited here. Yes, it is going to be good today. So you don't want to miss that. So stick and stay. Yeah. so we're gonna put in the bananas. You can see, yeah, the pot is boiling. Wonderful things happening here today, yeah. We are adding the dashins. Yes. We're adding the dashins, my people. Yes. So we allow the bananas to boil a little. The turnip fish, we're getting it ready to go. You have to get the turnips peeled and, you know, diced up. We have the oregano. Yes, we will be adding the rosemary. You have a thyme here as well. Yes, people, as you can see, we have the thyme here as well. And then, many of you may not know this, but this is the chive. Yes, people, all great seasonings to put in your meal. Yes, my people, so we'll be adding now the turnips, right? And we will add the turnips first. People, so this is how we do the turnip fish, yeah? So if you have never made it before, this is how we do it and this is how you should do it, all right? You can try this recipe at home, my people. Yeah, so you let it saute enough. Yes, with your seasoning. Looking good? Yeah, my people. So we're gonna add now the rest of country life. This is the fish Woo! Yeah. Yes, people. Real good thing, as you can see. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, man. Yes, people. So we're gonna add some more tomatoes. We're gonna add the tomatoes and some more garlic. Yeah. So this is how we do it, people. Next time it's fine out of the pot. We have more time. Yes, my people. So we're gonna add the salts. Yeah. So you know we use the Himalayan salt. Yeah, as you can see, pink salt. Nice. Wonderful things.
We got it going now.
In the pot, in the pot.
In the pot, yeah.
Yeah.
Country lifestyle, yeah.
Lifestyle, yeah.
Like, subscribe and share, yeah.
Yes, my people, so right now, you see what's going on here. So right now, you need to give this video a thumbs up. Thumbs up, people, come on, yeah. Thumbs up. You know, I know it's looking good. Yeah, looking good. Yeah. Yeah, and it's ready. So that is the turnip fish right here, people. Yeah, it's time to share. Yes. You can see, wow, the dashins, people. All looking good. Yeah. Banana really soft. Yeah. Really soft, my people. I can.
Softest banana you can ever see.
Yes, people, so this is the Chinese banana. Soft Chinese bananas, my people, yeah. And the dasheen. Oh, yeah. And now for the fish. The turnip fish, my people. I know we got the wooden spoon. Yeah. All nice. Yeah. Really good. Purple cabbage. Red tomatoes. White turnip. So you know the turnip is very nutritious. Yes. Green sweet peppers. All looking lovely. Yes, people, with the rosemary, thyme. Yeah, cilantro. Yeah, all good. Rosemary right there. Wonderful things happening, people. So now it is time to taste. Yes. Yes, people. So let us taste. Yeah, real nice. Real nice dasheen, yeah. Real nice, people. The turnips right here.
A good sit now.
And especially in this time, you need to be eating your turnips, your fruits, your vegetables, drinking a lot of water. Yes, people. So try this dish at home. It will be good. You will enjoy it. Yeah? And remember to like, subscribe, and share. Yeah? Make this dish for your family, people. Yeah, really, really, really good. And remember that your health is your wealth. All right, people? So take care until next time. All right? Keep the love going. Yes, people. All right? Take care.